Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling one of the toughest kitchen work, that's cleaning the oven. I will show you how to make it super easy using the easy off fume free oven cleaner. No harsh smell, no endless scrubbing, just a few simple steps to get your oven looking spotless again. So let's get started. The product which I have used, I will leave the link in the description for your reference. Now let's see the steps involved in cleaning the oven. The first thing first is the preparation. So turn off the oven and make sure it's completely cool. Remove oven racks, trays and any loose debris. Spray the cleaner. Shake the easy off can well. Spray evenly inside the oven, focusing on the grease and baked on areas. Close the oven door and let the cleaner sit for 30 minutes to an hour. You can use a damp sponge or a cloth to wipe away the loosened grease and residues. For stubborn spots, reapply and let it sit for a bit longer. Wipe again with a clean damp cloth to remove any leftover cleaner. Dry the surface with a paper towel or microfiber cloth. Spray the clean the oven rack separately in a sink or outdoors. Rinse thoroughly and let them dry before placing them back. Some of the important things that need to be taken care of. Do wear gloves to protect your hands. Do ventilate the area with a window or a fan. Don't use on self-cleaning or continuously cleaning ovens unless specified safe. Don't turn the oven on during cleaning. All dripping down. You can see that. Take that angle as well. See, everything is all cleaned up. Wonderful. You can just put some baking soda in there and just let it be soak it for some time. And that's it, a clean oven without the fumes or hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And remember, 98% of viewers watch but don't subscribe. It's completely free and I only post one helpful video each week, so you don't be overwhelmed. Subscribe and help us reach our goal of 1000 subscribers by end of this year. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.